welcome to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to derive F measure formula. So this concept will come with regards to evaluation of information retrieval. So before deriving F measure formula, we are supposed to know what is F measure. So F measure, it is a or it is also called as F score. It is a single measure that trades off between precision and recall. So what is this precision and recall? So precision and recall, here I have written P precision, it is proportion of retrieved documents that are relevant. So out of retrieved documents, how many documents are relevant to the user's query or the prompt. So recall means proportion of relevant documents that are retrieved. That means out of the user's query or the user's prompt which is given to any search engine or any LLM, how many like it will list only relevant documents. So out of relevant documents, how many are retrieved? So that is what precision and recall stands for. So we are when we come for the derivation, we will be knowing only the first step and the goal or what to be proven. So this step will mark the first step when we are deriving F score or F measure. So F equal to 1 by alpha into 1 by P plus 1 minus alpha into 1 by R. And simultaneously, we should also be knowing this equation as well, that is beta square equal to 1 minus alpha by alpha. So let me derive this. How will I get? So my aim is to get this equation getting converted to this equation. So I'll convert, let us see how we are going to convert this. So take this equation beta square equal to 1 minus alpha by alpha. So okay, let me perform cross multiplication. I will get 1 minus alpha equal to alpha beta square. So push all alpha terms to one side and 1 to another side. I'll get alpha beta square plus alpha equal to 1. Take alpha common, I'll get 1 plus beta square equal to 1. And alpha, from this equation I will be able to find alpha value, that is alpha equal to 1 by 1 plus beta square, and also 1 plus beta square equal to 1 by alpha, and 1 by alpha I will also be able to find, that is 1 by alpha equal to 1 plus beta square. So substituting all these above results in equation 1, I will get F equal to 1 by uh, let me again substitute these results in the first equation, that is F equal to 1 by alpha by P plus 1 minus alpha by R. So we all know 1 minus alpha equal to alpha beta square. Let me substitute this result here. So I will get 1 by alpha by P plus alpha beta square by R. So let me perform LCM for this equation. I'll get 1 by, so here PR, denominator is PR. So alpha R alpha plus P alpha beta square. So we all know the denominator of the denominator will be going to the numerator. So I will get, from this step, I will get PR by R alpha plus P alpha beta square. So at this stage, I am getting F equal to PR by R alpha plus P alpha beta square. So now PR by, in the denominator in both the terms I am getting alpha common. Like I am able to see alpha in both the terms. So take alpha common. I'll If I take alpha common, I'll get alpha R plus P beta square. Now PR by 1 by 1 plus beta square into R plus P beta square. So PR by, if I simplify this equation, I get PR by R plus P beta square by 1 plus beta square. So again here also maps the same concept. So denominator of the denominator should go to the numerator. So I'll get PR into 1 plus beta square by R plus P beta square. So as of now, from this equation, that is F equal to 1 by alpha by P plus 1 minus alpha by R, I have derived till this position, that is F equal to PR into 1 plus beta square by R plus P beta square. So this is the outcome as of now I am getting. But my goal is I need to get F equal to 2 into precision into recall by precision plus recall. That is F equal to 2 PR by P plus R. How will I get it? So let us think. If we see carefully, let us go in approximation, like random value initialization. So let us assume values for alpha as 1 by 2 and beta as 1. So if I randomly assign the value for alpha equal to 1 by 2 and beta equal to 1, and if I substitute in the equation 3 as you are able to see, then I will be getting PR into 1 plus, instead of beta put 1, so that is 1 square by R plus P into beta is 1, so P into 1 square, so PR into 1 plus 1 by R plus P into 1, so 2 PR, 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 PR by P plus R. So we all know that this is the formula which we are supposed to derive from this equation, that is from 1 by alpha by P plus 1 minus alpha by R to 2 PR by P plus R. So this is the F score formula which you are able to see. So here in this formula, note the notations which are used properly. So P stands for precision. So precision stands for proportion of retrieved documents that are relevant. So out of the user's query or user prompt is given, so it will retrieve some documents. So out of those retrieved documents, how many documents that are relevant to the user query which is given, so that stands for precision. And for recall, proportion of relevant documents that are retrieved, that means user is going to give a query and the search engine is going to list out the relevant documents to the query, and out of those relevant documents, how many documents it can be retrieved, so that stands for recall. So as we all know, confusion matrix concept. So confusion matrix, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix where it stands for true positive, positive, false negative, and true negative. So these are the contents of confusion matrix. So when we are deriving this formula, we should also know what is the formula associated with the precision and recall. So precision equal to true positive by true positive plus false positive, recall equal to true positive by true positive plus false negative. So these two formulas we are supposed to know, and we are supposed to know this formula and the way how we derive. So these steps are very very important and crucial in helping us to derive or achieve this formula which is there. So if I expand this, f equal to 2 PR by P plus R, if I expand this, I will get f equal to 2 into precision into recall by precision plus recall. So that is the reason why I told before deriving F measure formula, knowing what is precision, what is recall, what is confusion matrix. It is a 2 cross 2 matrix having contents of true positive, false negative, and true negative respectively. And the formula for precision and recall which has been associated. So these things are very very important. So this marks the end of derivation of F measure formula, which comes under concept of evaluation of information retrieval. So I'll be ending the video here. So please keep sharing this type of videos to your friends such that it will be very helpful for them, and these type of quality contents are required. So as much as possible, please support me and share this type of content such that it will be helpful for maximum people at the same time. So thank you all.